Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Reciprocating Saw. Model number, actually it's the Super Sawzall. Model number on this guy is 2722-20. Starting off, we're going to go ahead and drop a blade in it. To do so, you're going to twist the front piece here and the blade will drop in straight down, and then when you let it go, it's going to hold it in place just like so. This guy does have a setting for orbital versus straight, so you'll see this is straight here. This way is going to be orbital for different materials. The straight's going to be straight, the orbital, your blade's going to orbit a little bit as it reciprocates. It also does have a speed adjustment that you'll see up here by the trigger, and it has a lock above the trigger as well, and then the trigger. It does also have a big belt clip that you can hang it from your belt with like this, and that's kind of most of the features on it. It also does have a stand that you can pull down and it can set on like so, and can go back as well. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and drop a battery in it and go ahead and give you a quick demo of this guy. So battery's in. As you can see, you can even change the speeds on the go. We're going to leave it in a higher speed 5 here. This is a metal, bimetal blade, so it's probably not going to tear right through this as quick as it would if it were. Would have been a little bit smoother had I not had a bimetal blade and a wood instead, but nonetheless, it still tore right through it. And yeah, guys, so that is the Super Sawzall M18 Fuel Reciprocating Saw. If anybody has any other comments, questions, suggested tools to review, please let us know in the comment section below. If you have not, please do subscribe and hit the like button. That way you can be entered to win that DeWalt drill kit, and also you will get lots and lots of good videos as time progresses. If anybody has anything else, let us know. Otherwise, we will see you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys.